Hi everyone, I wanted to bring you my Walgreens haul that I did so far. There were really great deals going on this week. Let me know if you got a digital booster in your coupons folder. I had a spend 25, get 7. What I did first was the buy one, get 2 free on the freezer bags. The Pampers wipes were buy one, get one 50% off at $3.75 and $1.25 off 2 store coupon. I believe it was just with the wipes I saved over $18 on this deal. It was a really good deal for that price. Let me know what deals you've done and if you got any good spend boosters for this week or next week. And then I went another time and I decided to do the P&G deal in store. Spend 30 on the items, get a $10 register reward. So it was 15 for the gain and the tide. I got my register reward. $3 off coupon on each item. Some people were saying as of Wednesday it was not printing for them, but it did print for me the day before. So then I had the $10 reward and it's a short use time. I had to use it by the next day. So I went and got some household items, nothing major, just a few things, but I used the register reward. And so, yeah, that's pretty much it. Check out my other videos. And if you could like, share, and subscribe, that would be amazing. And let me know if you found any good clearance deals, exciting deals, and